All right, here we are on day 3, working on the trailer, and Steve's on his way. Today we hope to get the springs positioned correctly, welded on, and the axle squared up it on its tires and flipped over so that we can start taking measurements for how we want it laid out, or rather how Steve wants it laid out. I know it's got to carry large coolers and a few other things. Might even do a solar system. Still kind of kicking around that idea. So we're going to kind of figure it out as we go. So check it out. It's like perfect.
Those have stuff in them. I took the stuff out of the coolers. This one has been sitting outside my camper. It was riding in the track bed of my truck forever.
All right, so that's sitting there, and then that we can push relatively there. Okay. All right. Can I talk you into keeping these in your truck? Just because I only had so much garage space.
Yeah.
It's not. Can they just hang out in your truck for a week or so?
Yeah, they'll get dirty.
Goes forward. Goes over here. Well, unfortunately, we didn't reach our goal for getting the axle together, but instead, we, as you saw in the video, I didn't really cover it a whole lot, got a hookup on a truck bed box that'll house the solar panel wiring and battery and stuff. It's probably bigger than what he needs for that, so we may multi-purpose it. That's down the road. Ultimately, what we needed to know was, since he wants the cargo carriers and the coolers on either side of that truck box, what our total length was going to be. And as it turns out, we do need to add like 6 inches to the whole thing, which could have affected where that axle got placed. Here we are during the week, after hours, and what I'm doing is just a little bit of axle prep. Okay, so it's going to be a spring over configuration. Was hoping not have to worry about even messing with the brackets, but because it's going to interfere with the U-bolt, where the U-bolt goes, I don't have any choice. I'm going to have to cut these guys off.
grease zerk, or what are you
Yeah.
going to?
I guess the greaser. And I guess the closest edge of the greaser. So that's what I'm rubbing against.
Okay.
99 1/4.
99 1/4.
More than an eighth. 3/16. That's under a 16th. Try this guy again. 99 1/4. Dead on. 99 1/4 and 99 1/4. So that's where it needs to be.
And then he said to tack these
Mm-hmm.
and then measure the same distance between here to here,
Yeah.
set it a little angle, at the same distance here to here, tack those, then recheck your measurements.
Okay. Big moment. Oh, it wouldn't limp on you. God damn it. Straighten out. All right, we are now 1/32 under 100. So look for the same. Yeah, we are dead on. Are you measuring it the same way? Oh no. Okay, so now it's 1/8. But difference between 1/8 and 1/32. Anyway, it's close.